back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update, and can I just say it feels so good to be filming. I took about a week and a half off. Rob and I went to New York City. We had our romantic, honestly it was 6 days, 5 nights. That's quite a long time, but we enjoyed ourselves. We missed the kids for sure, but we had a ball. If you follow me on Instagram, you definitely saw all of the fun, but if you missed it, I have it saved underneath my NYC highlight on Instagram, so you can go over there and check it out. But in today's video, it is gonna be a home update, a good old-fashioned, I mean, I do them every week. Is it old-fashioned? But a good, solid home update. It's been a while, so I have a lot of new things to share with you all, as well as I need your advice on a couple of spaces. We're gonna be changing around the playroom in this video. I got some things in the mail. We're gonna be doing some online shopping because I'm crazy. Lots of things. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna see how we update the house, new pieces that came in, then please just keep on watching. Is this getting old? Is this to the point where it's getting old? Because you already know what it is. I don't know why they sent everything 2 by 2 like Noah's Ark. Cute. Okay, so these are the glasses. We have these already in the shorter ones. Are they called low ball? These are the high ball. Low ball? No, that's not it. I don't remember the name of the short ones, but anyway, these are the tall ones. I love these. These might be my favorite. We got 4, of course, but I'm gonna show them anyway. Fingers crossed they're not broke. I feel like that's the only thing keeping these like glassware unboxings interesting, is the fact that we don't know if they're gonna be broken. Like, we're gonna find out together. Yay, all's well that ends well. We've got 4 glasses, not broken, thank goodness. They're in great condition and I'm happy. Okay guys, so next up I got a package from Lovery. They actually sent me a play kit and this wall art. How cute is this? It's a pink flamingo. I mean, obviously like you can see it. And it's supposed to be hung up on the wall. Well, it can be, but I thought it would be perfect to put in Briella's room in her closet. Like over there, you can kind of see it. I thought this would be really, really cute and I feel like it would fit. So I'm gonna put it there and see how it looks. And you guys, I did not know that Lovery had home stuff. They emailed me and let me know that they actually have like home decor and like home things for baby, and I thought this would be perfect. Wait, this is really, really cute. Okay, I feel like that's exactly what this blank space needed. I think this is adorable. Like, how cute is that? It fits perfectly. No longer blank, and I really, really like this. So you all know by now, I work with Lovery. They have such amazing play kits, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit because we're gonna like update the playroom, but I will have my link down below if you wanna check this out. So cute. Okay, and while we are in Briella's room, I need some advice. I'm not 100%, I mean, am I ever? I'm just not 100% about, honestly, this wall right here. So when you walk into Briella's room, she has this whole blank wall situation, but it's a very narrow hallway, so I don't wanna put like any furniture or anything too heavy because it's really gonna obstruct our walkway. So I figured one of 3 things. Thing number 1, I saw on Restoration Hardware's website where in a girl's room, they had string lights going from one side of the room, like up to the ceiling and then over. And I thought that could be really cute if we did string lights, kind of make it feel a little bit like magical as well. Let me actually, maybe this way you can kind of get a better visual for it. So the string lights would just cover like this wall going up and then going down, just so like you walk in and it's like I said, like twinkly and magical. That could be really cute. Or my other option is to maybe do like a canvas wall art on this side. Maybe we could incorporate like the kids and make something like canvas art. Just pick out very like muted pinks to tie into the rug. We could do like muted pinks on like a canvas and have her make it with us and just get creative that way. I think that'll be really cute. And maybe, oh, it's out of focus. And maybe we could try to like frame it or something like that at Michael's. That's an option as well. And then on this wall have hooks, like we could do 2 little hooks. That could be kind of cute. Or option number 3, and option number 3 is a big project. So what I was thinking is, just like if you've been following for a while, maybe I'll actually link it, I'm pretty sure I still have it up, Briella's nursery tour, and I showed you all in that nursery tour, she kind of had like a crown molding, like wall frames in a way. I'm gonna insert some pictures. I don't know the exact term, but we did that in her nursery at our old house. Maybe I could bring something like that back and have this wall have the crown molding, but then also maybe take it over here onto this wall as well. I don't know, we'll see. I think that could be really, really pretty. I mean, we've done it before. I know it's beautiful, so we could do that again. So those are my 3 options. Let me know in the comments which one you think would look cute, which one you think we should do, because I'm kind of on the fence. I feel like all 3 would be pretty, and we're definitely getting to the point of decorating. I feel like we've been here for a while where we could really go in many different directions and it's gonna look good. So if we did the lights, I think it'll look cute. The canvas art, that would be really sentimental and cute, or the little molding frames around the walls. So let me know what you think. It's kind of like a Briella update. Help your girl out. Okay guys, so change of outfit. I'm actually filming 2 videos at once because I'm kind of behind from New York. But anyway, we are about to go through the playroom and switch it up a little bit. I love how the playroom is set up, like for the most part, like it is very functional, like it's fine. But this section over here, like I just need to go through the toys. I want to set it up in such a way where it's like they have kind of like stations, like each bin has its own like theme, sort of. We'll have a bin with like chalk and like, I don't know, like fun chalk stuff, like erasers or whatever. And that's if you want to play chalk, you get the chalk bin. I kind of want like a crayon paint, like art bin as well, and just like a crafty one. So anyway, we're gonna get creative. I got some stuff from Target, which the babies don't know about yet. It's gonna be a surprise. So that'll be fun. So yeah, this playroom needs to get cleaned out with the old, in with the new. I spoke too soon. Okay, you guys, so it might not look like much has been done, but I'm telling you, a lot got done. We have in here some chalk and Play-Doh. Here we have extra toys, more like arts and crafts stuff in here, and things they like to play with in here. So I just really wanted to switch it up to make it more fun. Okay, so right here we have our Lovery box we're about to open and get the toys inside and play with those. You guys, we love our Lovery box. I'll have my link down below so you can check it out, but you guys, let's check out what's inside. Okay, Bree? Bree just woke up, so she's like, I don't know what's going on. You guys, we love these boxes. They come once a month until your little one turns 1 year old, and then they come every 3 months until they turn, I'm pretty sure it's like 4 now, you guys. They have so many different options. We've got a weighing station here. We've got a squeegee, spray bottle. You guys are gonna help me clean. Whoa, okay, this is an art project. I see glue, I see paper. In each box, you get a pamphlet and it tells you about all the toys in here. Okay, clearly they're very excited. We have this sort peg, which is really, really cool. Again, all of these toys are Montessori based, which means that they require your little one to critically think in order to play with the toys, which is awesome. So again, like I said, I will have my link down below in the description, and thank you to Lovery for sending us these. So let's continue on now with the vlog. I don't understand why you're
guys, so right now we're in the closet. As you can see, it's pretty cramped in here right now. Get up out my way. But we are gonna go ahead and put some shelving in those back units over here. So you guys come on in. Don't be shy. Come walk straight in. Get in here. Come on. I gotta figure out a way to add 4 shelves to each side, pretty much. So we're gonna start with the left-hand side near my side of the closet. I'm thinking about just installing one in the middle of each one. I think that's the best way to do it. So they're evenly spaced right now. So let's go ahead and get started. All the shelves are in, spaced out nice and evenly, with the exception of those bottom 2 right there. Oh, hello random goldfish for my kids. And toolbox. But yeah, everything looks good so far. Obviously the next step is to fill this thing up with shoes and make it look super nice so that when you first walk in, you're just blown away. So stay tuned for that.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to give you a quick closet update. I love that we added shelves in here for extra shoe storage. I love this so much better. I wish we would have did this from the beginning. It was just kind of wasted space with those bins. Like, we really didn't need that space. We were just kind of, I don't know. Anyway, so I really like how this looks. I just have like all of my shoes, 2x2s over here on my side, and then Rob will later fill up his side. I guess I was kind of opposed to it because I didn't want to keep shoes in the closet. I was kind of thinking like, oh, is it gonna like smell weird having like just shoes up here? So maybe I'll take out the sneakers and just do like dress shoes how I have in my other closet. I don't know. Maybe shoes that I don't really wear that often I can keep up here, and we'll do something similar downstairs with our shoes. And let me know in the comments like where you keep your shoes, because I feel like there's like no perfect solution, at least for us. Like, we've kind of been struggling. We have like a whole system in the garage where you lift open the flap and you take the shoes out, but then we don't remember to put the shoes back in, and then we just have them in our coat closet downstairs, just like on the bottom of the floor, and they just like pile up, and then shoes get dirty. It's just a whole hot mess. So I definitely want to revamp our shoe situation. So let me know what you guys do. So now this is what my closet is looking like over here. I just have so much more space now, even though it still looks like, well, that's a lot of shoes. You could probably use like another one of these, but it's fine. We don't have that much space. I'm not redoing that because this is my favorite section. Like, I love this. So I'm not redoing that. It is what it is. We'll figure it out. When we get there, we'll get there. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And get ready to work, 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 work. Get ready to work, 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 work. I don't even, oh, hey, get her off. I don't even know what she says, but anyway, what we're going to do next, we are in the office and I have a whiteboard. I know I have these acrylic boards over here with like all of my stuff written on it, but if I'm being completely honest, and I didn't think this through, Rob, it's difficult. It's functional, but like at the same time it's not, because let's say this is August, then I fill out this for September. When August is over, I'm just looking at September, but where do I put October? Here? So I keep switching back and forth the months. Like, it's confusing.
Yeah, I can see how that would be confusing.
That's really confusing. So I'm like, okay, great. So usually what I do is I'll have like July and August, and then I'll erase both of them when August is over. So at one point, like during August, I can never see September and I just see old July. Like, it's a whole situation. So anyway, if I could go back, probably, actually, I don't know, because that's really cute. Anyway, so probably wouldn't have gotten 2. Probably would have just got 1, but it is what it is. So moving on, we have a whiteboard. I need this to be functional. Like, a whiteboard is really gonna help me like map out my week. I'll be able to write down like, okay, this is the video I'm filming, this is the reel I need to film, IGTV, because I'm doing that now, and whatever else, I'll be able to write it down on the whiteboard. But here's my dilemma. Do I put the whiteboard, let's open this up, because this closet is pretty full. So do I put the whiteboard here, just cram it in there? It fits. It doesn't look like it does, but I measured, it fits.
Okay.
Or do I hang it long ways like this on the back of the door?
I mean, you need it to be functional.
Yeah.
And readily available.
Right.
And you don't want to just take it out and grab it like a notebook.
No, no, it has to be hung up. And I don't want it out because this is so pretty. Like I don't, that's, no. Y'all know that's not happening. It has to be in the closet because it's gonna be like an eyesore if not.
Yeah, I would put it on the back of the door.
That's kind of what I'm thinking too, because realistically, am I gonna like lean in here and be like, okay, let me erase? Like that could be a lot. Plus it's just already, like it's pretty as is.
And it'll fit too.
Yeah.
You know, if we put it like right here.
Will it stay on the door?
Probably would have to mount it some sort of way.
Oh my gosh.
I have some mounting brackets as well for stuff like this, like for pictures and stuff.
Yeah.
It'll hold.
Okay.
I can just nail it into here and we'll be good to go.
Okay, cool. So that's on the agenda right now. Robert, you got this? I mean, this is easy. Like, yeah, you.
Super
I
easy.
just need you to hang it up. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Woo!
Oh my. And there you have it. I have a whiteboard in my office that I can actually use and like write down ideas. And I know it's an awkward spot. I already can hear the comments now. I know it's awkward, like I know, but I need it to, I need it. And this is like the best that it's gonna be besides just being out and about and just like killing the vibe. So it doesn't move, which is awesome. Rob actually had, I mean, you saw he had to attach it on both ends so it wouldn't move. So when I'm not using it, we just close everything up and it's back to being, you know.
Yeah, just. Yeah,
I don't know the word, but it's back to being just like a clean slate, basically.
Right.
And then if I'm like, oh wait, I need to see like what was the plan for today, I have it right here.
Right.
I don't know, it's kind of giving me vibes of like when you had like a high school job and you had to like clock in or something and like you go in the back and you look at your schedule or like whatever it is. It's kind of what it's serving, but it's fine. It'll do what it needs to do.
High school vibes are okay around here.
Yeah. Yeah, well, sometimes, yeah.
Okay.